The roll cage is on the other side of, literally on the opposite side of the island. So
Why is it blinking?
that means there's nothing. If I don't ever make GTR content again,
Can you stop?
Now I did say I'm not gonna buy GTR parts for a while, but today's gonna be an exception. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. So quick update for you guys for the cars. 350Z, we're still waiting for the green light to do the motor transplant, but I still drive the car. It's just only short distances because I just don't want this car to go kaput. But in the next couple weeks, I have a package coming in for this car. And then for the GTR, knock on wood, she's been old reliable, so it's so good. We're gonna pick up a car part today. We're gonna go pick up something new. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put in the title of today's video, but yes, we are gonna go and pick up a roll cage for the GTR. Does it really need it? Technically not, but just for aesthetic wise, it's gonna look super sick. The only thing though is that yeah, the roll cage is on the other side of, literally on the opposite side of the island. So here's what we're gonna do today. First, we're gonna go and get this car washed. So we're gonna wash Rhea's car because we're gonna take this car out today, do a little detail of the car, and then this car is gonna stay here. And then maybe tonight we're gonna take this car out, but first let's go and get this car washed. For those of you guys that saw last week's upload, it's done a lot better than my usual views. So we usually have about maybe 150 200 views per video for every video that we drop. But last week's video, the most recent one that we posted, I actually link it right up here. We got, I think right now, about almost 450 views, so it's doing a lot better. And for all of you guys that interact with the videos, like the videos, comment and whatever, you know, all of that stuff really helps. So again, please make sure you guys smash the like button for today's video. Now let's go wash this car. Let's just do a quick dirt test of how dirty this car is. And let's go into the shade and it's not too bad. All right, fresh car coming in. 3, 2, 1. And just like that, she is clean. Do a quick dirt test and nothing. Now let's go for a little drive. Ah, yes. Don't you just love it when you wash the car and then it rains right after? Yeah, that's me today, but oh well, to the windward side we go. Actually, there's one big question for today, is if we can fit a roll cage for a GTR into a Toyota Camry. Only one way to find out. We are just about to pull up to my old elementary school, Kalihi Elementary, where we are ranked bottom 5 public school or elementary public school in the state of Hawaii. And now here we are creating automotive content for you guys. That's already in itself progress. But right behind me, we already have the new roll cage for the GTR. Surprisingly, it fit in a Camry. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run some errands, and then when we get back home, we're gonna take a look at the new roll cage. And we're back. We just finished a chest workout, but we got the new, not new, used roll cage, but new to the build. Now this thing right here, I believe it's the BR Racing roll cage for the GTR R35. Now the cool thing about it is that I did not have to pay retail for this because this came out of a 1,000+ horsepower GTR. So now we're gonna put this roll cage into a 600 horsepower GTR, and the fact that I don't have to pay over $2,000 for this thing, I paid a good penny of 500 bucks, and for 500 bucks, that's like a huge steal. So shout out to our friend Kyle for selling this to me. Hopefully in the next couple weeks we might have him on the channel because we got something cooking. So if things work out for the both of us, it's going to be something to look forward to. But another thing that we have to address is the color and the condition of the roll cage, because it is kind of a little beat up. I'm pretty sure there was like a sticker on here, but now There's all just old adhesive, and like I'm pretty sure it's all scratched up over here from the harnesses as well. So the question is, what color should we make the roll cage for GTR? I'm thinking blue or red. Let me know, maybe we'll throw a curveball with it, but I'm leaning towards blue or red for the roll cage. Another thing we gotta contrast it with is the harnesses. Now I don't know what I want to go with. If I can find like silver harnesses with either a red or blue accent, that would be the ideal choice, since the interior is pretty much black. So that's gonna be another thing that we're gonna have to do. Also, another thing too is that we got new seat inserts for the car because we can't utilize the stock back seats. So our friend Kyle gave us these, so it's super easy to install. Now when we have it, if I can just put this in real quick. Now when we have the roll cage installed, it's pretty much we're gonna change the backing to the seats and we're gonna replace it with these thinner ones, and then right here in the middle is gonna be the sub. So that's gonna be super cool once we get everything in. But I don't know, what color should we do? Drop it in the comments. Now before we head out to dinner, I'm wearing the Definitive shirt, actually the off-white Definitive shirt, but I'm just saying this now, guys. I've spent literally over a year just trying to find the right blank for the Definitive wear, and I finally found the right one. So if you guys want to order stuff on Definitive, DM Definitive on Instagram. Website will go live sometime in August, but if you guys want the early drop and early scoops of Definitive products, let me know. It's a street brand that I'm trying to start up. The motto is stay driven, and it's gonna coincide with the YouTube channel and everything else. And yeah, just trying to bring some brand awareness for you guys. But DM Definitive. And now for the more fun part of today, let's go and get a nice old cold start. Guess how much gas we have?
I'm scared. Why?
Guess how much gas we have?
I don't know. Why?
Guess how much gas?
I don't know.
How many miles?
I don't know.
Just guess.
Like 15.
Oh, 40.
Oh.
But look at what it says over here.
What does it say?
Just look at it. Do you see it?
What am I? Why is it blinking?
That means there's nothing. This light takes literally 3 minutes, and we're running on E, no right turn on red, 3-minute stoplight. Let's see if we make it. Now, I don't usually come to this gas station, but when I do, it's because I want cheap gas. So the lucky number for gas is 509 for Supreme. If we go anywhere else, $6. All right, let's take a guess. How much is it gonna? We're at empty. So how much is it gonna cost for a full tank of gas? Take a guess.
90.
90? I see 95. Now Rhea said 90 and I said 95, but we were both wrong. $82 for a full tank of gas. It's a little bit more reasonable now. And now I'm hungry. This is so uncalled for, but made a new friend today. Shout out to our friend Josh. This guy, he actually served us here at Shibuya today, so nice meeting you, man.
Thank you.
Man, look at this car though. Sick. I love the gray. Sheesh. All right, let's do a quick rundown right now. What we got? What mods we got in the car right now?
Only got a bypass valve from
Bypass.
Rim Speed.
Okay.
Got a dump pipe catted from NVIDIA and
Nice.
a nameless axle back.
Oh.
And tuned by Mike Volti.
So what's next for the car?
Oh, frick. I'm gonna wrap, man.
Wrap? What
yeah.
color?
Midnight purple.
Midnight
And I don't know about the rims
Okay.
yet, so I gotta wait for that.
Oh shit.
It's a slow car. Slow 4-door.
Same slow car. Hey, nice meeting you, bro.
Thanks, man. I'll see you guys
I'll
soon.
see you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ask for step.
Ask for Josh.
Ask for step bro.
Step bro, hashtag step bro.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, bro. So cool seeing some of you guys out. Damn, bro. That's so sick. Turn of events, Rhea is going to be driving us home this evening. If I don't ever make GTR content again,
Can you stop? I'm not even a bad driver.
All right, sharp turn. Don't mess it up.
I'm so scared. Wait.
Slow down, slow down. Oh my god. Come on. Ah, not that bad.
Not that bad.
Okay, now as soon as we get past the potholes, that's when you floor it.
No, I don't want to. Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
Do you
Where
want
are
to
we
go
gonna
camp shopping?
Camp shopping? Hell no, I ain't going camp shopping in this car. Frick that.
You go camp shopping. With that dip in the front.
Nope. The big ass freaking what do you call it? Speed bump? No ways. Ooh, let's practice for future Island Rides video since I'm sitting passenger and I'll just ask the driver questions.
Oh my god.
But let's make this valuable for the viewers. Hopefully they can see you at the same time.
Okay.
As a oh, look at that Tesla.
Tesla went
Sorry.
zoom in.
That Tesla went zoom in. Anyways, back to the subject. As a small business owner, what are your top 3 things that everyone should know when running a small business? Or what's important? What are the top 3 most important things?
Register your business.
Okay.
Get your accounting right.
Okay.
And stay organized.
Stay organized.
Honestly, just stay organized with everything.
How many hours out of the day do you spend on social media for promoting Shaplamansi?
Oh, you can actually look that on your phone. So my daily average, like on my phone, I'm usually just like either on Instagram or Pinterest or TikTok. My average is like 7 hours a day. Around 7 hours a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 7 hours a day.
And like
and-
editing photos and editing videos and posting stuff and like going through orders and stuff is like 7 hours.
And we got the GTR back in the garage. I think I'm gonna end the video here. It was cool meeting a new friend, a new car friend. We got a lot of stuff coming for you guys. Z's still waiting for the green light. What else? New definitive stuff will be coming out starting next month, and at the same time the website will be coming up as well. GTR, we got a roll cage for this thing. Now it's a matter of when we can get it installed and when we can get it painted, but I'm super excited and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.